Windows 10 Start menu can't have multiple shortcuts with the same target. Problem. If you create two shortcuts with the same target, then only one of them is displayed in the Start menu. This is true for search results within the Start menu, manually browsing program folders within the Start menu, pin shortcuts within the Start menu. This is important because the shortcuts might have different settings defined in the Properties dialog, such as different compatibility settings, or be set to start in different directories. Some programs install a shortcut to a command prompt which is set to open in the program's installation folder. This enables easy access to the program from the command line without having to modify %pat%, but it means that users who are unaware of this lose access to CMD. Programs that do this: Jack, Git Bash, MashLab. Things I've tried. Renaming shortcuts. Only the shortcut that comes first alphabetically is displayed. Using folders doesn't help. Only the shortcut in the folder that comes first alphabetically is displayed. Pinning shortcuts doesn't help. The pin shortcut updates to point to the displayed shortcut. Steps to reproduce. Fully up-to-date Windows 10 Home. Start search for command prompt, or CMD. Optional, right-click on command prompt, pin to start. This makes command prompt available when you open the Start menu without searching for anything. Right-click on command prompt, open file location. This opens a file explorer window in %updata %/Microsoft /Windows /Start menu /programs /system tools. Copy the command prompt shortcut and rename the copy AAA command prompt. This ensures it appears before command prompt when files are listed alphabetically. Optional, right-click on the new AAA command prompt shortcut properties. Change something. For example, set the Start in directory to a different location, such as C column. Notice that it is now not possible to access command prompt from the Start menu. It has been replaced with AAA command prompt everywhere. If you rename AAA command prompt to Z command prompt, then you get back the ordinary version and lose the customized version. Moving the shortcuts to different folders within %updata %/Microsoft /Windows /Start menu /programs / doesn't help. Any ideas?
As of Win 10, 1903, August 2019, it seems that the Start menu will now allow duplicate shortcuts to the same X as long as the arguments are different. For this to work though, the duplicate shortcuts needs to be created by any method other than making a copy of the already existing shortcut in the Start menu and modifying it. So, a shortcut created with the target as. We'll open up the command prompt at C column / and a shortcut created with the target as. We'll open up the command prompt at C column / users /. Both shortcuts will be shown on the Start menu, in addition to the default command prompt shortcut, even if they have the same name. I was also able to create a duplicate shortcut to cmd.x that will show up in the Start menu and function identically by using as an argument. target, which I can then modify to launch SIMD with different properties, admin/compatibility, etc. This may not be suitable for other executables.
The method I used was to open up an administrator command prompt and create a symbolic link to cmd.exe and then create a shortcut to that symlink. Once you have created the symbolic link, you can make a copy of the command prompt shortcut in any folder and name it whatever you want. Then follow these steps. Right-click on the shortcut and click on Properties at the bottom of the pop-up menu. If it's not already selected, click on the Shortcut tab of the Properties window that just opened up. Change the target from %vendor%system32/cmd.exe to %vendor%system32/cmd_admin.exe and click the OK button to save your change. Optional, you could make additional changes from the same properties pop-up, such as the start in location. Make it an administrator command prompt by clicking on the advanced button and then checking the Run as Administrator checkbox.
A number of Windows 10 updates have caused issues with shortcuts, such as disabling the keyboard shortcuts to links and requiring links to be in specific locations, as well as this issue of allowing only a single target. Though I know of no fix within Windows, some free third-party tools such as Classic Shell and Clavier Plus provide a workaround. Because these tools' configurations can be saved or copied to new Windows installations and can easily be edited, I've come to prefer them to the native window link files and keyboard shortcuts.
This has been a bug since Windows 8. This URL. I know of a fix, but only if applying in the context of an MC or appv package. For MC, use them as a shortcut property table, set propertype equals system.apps.model.id, then set prop variant value to a unique string per shortcut. For appv, set a unique string and tag in the shortcut definition. I assume there must be a way to set this property when creating the shortcut via other means, but I have not investigated any other methods, for example script object to create shortcuts. Third-party packaging tools that create setup.exes such as insys etc. might not have caught up to allow for this feature.
Beyond Scope Channel, please discuss Scotland.